the tide is low enough to reveal the rusted conning tower of a Type X submarine.
This torpedo tube is the only way to infiltrate this steel grave without heavy equipment.
The air is getting thin in here, but I can feel the weight of history in every room.
These personal files could prove exactly who escaped to South America in 1945. This lead seal hasn't been touched for 80 years, and the Reich's secrets are right inside.
I'm nearing the cargo hold where the heaviest weight was recorded in the original logs.
My God, the legends were true. These shelves are literally stacked with the Reich's reserve.
Every single bar is stamped with the Reichsbank eagle and a unique serial number.
The hull is moaning under the pressure of the incoming tide, and I need to be fast.
The exit is already half submerged. The ocean is reclaiming its secrets tonight.
I've seen enough to change history, but only if I make it out of this trap alive. The tide is rising faster than I calculated. I have to reach the boat before I'm swept away. I've got the evidence, but this iron coffin is finally going back to the abyss.
The documents inside point to a hidden bunker level deep beneath Berlin's metro.
I'm descending into the forbidden tunnels to find the Führer's personal gold vault.
This wall was meant to hide the most classified section of the entire bunker system.
The lead seal is intact. Nobody has entered this bunker since the fall of Berlin in '45.
I found it! The personal gold bars of the Reich's leader, hidden away for 80 years.
I am not alone here, as someone else knows about this hidden level.